latest attacks on the L and R railroad are the work of an unknown enemy who calls himself the Wrecker. His latest deviltry, an attempt to wreck the Hurricane Express, was foiled by Larry Baker, whose father was murdered by the Wrecker. The engine and the express car have been cut loose from the train, and agents of the Wrecker are transferring a valuable gold shipment from the express car to their big passenger plane. Larry has a plan to outwit the Wrecker's gang with the aid of Gloria Martin, secretary to the railroad manager, and her father, whom Larry believes to be a railroad detective, but who is really an escaped convict and an enemy of the railroad.
Until I get the rest of the gold. All set to go, Sandy? Okay. Before you pull the cord, you'll be all right. If she hadn't crashed so far away, we'd still have a chance of getting the gold. I've got it. The engine. You're right. We can get her running. We can run down there in no time. So far, Gloria.
Dad!
We must get this gold away from here at once before the Wrecker's gang arrive.
But they're miles away from here now, Dad.
But they must have seen the plane crash, and they're sure to follow us.
There must be a farmhouse around here where we can get a car.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Oh! Dad, what is it?
Oh, I hurt my leg when I landed, I guess. Now, you two go after a car, and I'll wait till you get back.
I'd better wait here with Dad. He seems to be badly hurt. Please go alone.
I'll be back soon.
Now, quick. We've no time to waste.
Oh, Dad, you're not hurt at all.
Oh, well, I had to do that in order to get Baker to leave us here alone, so he wouldn't suspect anything.
Dad, you're not going to steal the gold.
I'm going to use it as a weapon to fight the railroad.
But that's not the way to clear yourself.
I'm justified in using any means against the people that sent me to prison on a false charge. They held out evidence that would have cleared me. Neither they'll produce that evidence or they'll never see that gold again.
Don't you see you're only making it worse?
Oh, nothing is worse than rotting in jail when you know that you're innocent.
Yes, that's right. There's a car coming.
Careful, Matthews. I think I saw a light flash in the cab of that engine.
Yeah? Well, you get your gun ready. We'll hand those birds a little surprise.
It's the railroad dick. They left their car in the brush. Let's pass it.
What's that? They've got our car! Hurry, Gloria. This is the last box.
Mine now. If you damage the car any, I'll take it out of your deposit.
Well, I'll be careful.
Gloria? Gloria? We can't be far from it now. There they are. Stand where you are, Baker. We're going to save you the trouble of getting that gold out of the plane. Here, Sandy. Watch him while we get the stuff out. Hey, what you got there, Baker? It ain't here. The gold's gone. You look every place.
Baker's got the gold! Stop him!
Don't come any further, Dad. Someone might recognize you. When is the next train to town?
There's an early local in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Anybody hurt?
No, I guess not. But the thief who we're chasing got away.
Lucky you weren't killed. Well, I'll have to report this. You better come back to town with me.
There's the Jane that was with Baker. She knows where the gold is. We've got to get a hold of her. You slip off the train to the next station and phone Jake and tell him to meet the train with a taxi at the terminal.
Where's the record?
Here he is now.
Walter Gray. So you're the wrecker.
Never mind that. All we want out of you is where Baker hid the gold. You'd better come through. We know you were with Baker when he stole the plane. Speak up, all right? I'm giving you just one more chance to talk.
Up with your hands, every one of you.
Married.
Quick, lawyer, get the police while I keep them covered. So you're the wrecker. The man who murdered my father. I swore I'd get you.
You're not going to shoot me down in cold blood?
Why shouldn't I? You didn't give my father a chance, did you? Don't shoot him. He knows where the gold is. What's the rush, sister? No, you don't. You're staying right here till the wrecker gets through with you.